So I decided to make a song for my final project, and this is the screen of my SoundCloud of the song. But when I made the song, I decided I was going to use GarageBand because I had used it in the past and I kind of knew how to use it. But I knew I would need a Apple product. And I have a PC, so I knew I couldn't do it on my computer. But I thought I would use one of the school's computers, using one of the Macs in H-Wing, because that was what I did when I had to make the documentary using iMovie. So then when I went there, I discovered that on all of the downstairs computers, there's no GarageBand downloaded. And then upstairs, in the little lounge in H-Wing, there are computers with GarageBand on them, but it needed to update to give new instruments or something like that. And to finish that update, it needed an administrator password, which I didn't have. So then I wasn't able to use any of the school's computers. I found out that I was able to download GarageBand onto my phone, but I don't really have any space for that. I don't have any room to download really anything, and especially not to make a whole song. So I decided I would save that option as a last resort. So then when I went home, I tried to use my mom's iPad, but then GarageBand said that it was not compatible with that particular iPad. So my last option was to try my brother's school computer, which is a MacBook. And it had a similar issue as with the upstairs H-Wing computers, where it had to update to get the instruments, and it asked for an administrator password. But this time, I was able to just skip that last update and just go right to the app. But because of this, then I didn't have really any instruments whatsoever downloaded. The only thing that was available were the drums, and even then it was a very small selection of the drums. But since I knew I really needed the program just to make the beat, and using either drums or guitar, it worked out fine. I was able to use it. And then it did make a song that kind of seemed a little bland because it was just the drums and my voice. So I decided to beef it up a little bit, and I recorded, because you could record multiple tracks using the microphone. So I decided to record myself strumming my violin. So that added more depth to the song, which I was really happy with. But overall, I learned a lot, and I had to be really adaptable using this. But I think it came out really well, and I'm really proud of how the song came out.